Ready to transform your skin? Today, we're diving into the ordinary hyaluronic acid, 2% plus B5, with Ceramides, your secret weapon for instantly plumper, smoother skin. This isn't just any hyaluronic acid. It features 5 types of HA, delivering multi-depth hydration deep into your skin's layers, ensuring long-lasting moisture. What truly sets it apart are the added ceramides, crucial for locking in moisture and fortifying your skin's protective barrier against environmental stressors. Paired with powerful provitamin B5, it boosts your skin's natural moisture retention and aids in forming those vital barrier components. The result? A visible reduction in fine, dry lines and wrinkles, leaving your complexion looking incredibly supple and youthful. Imagine waking up to skin that feels incredibly soft, resilient, and hydrated all day long. That's the daily difference this serum makes. If you're looking for a hydrating serum that does more than just sit on the surface, this is an absolute must-have for your skincare routine. Don't just take my word for it. Click the link in the description below to find this amazing The Ordinary Serum on Amazon. With its unique blend of ceramides, B5, and multiple HA forms, it's designed to provide comprehensive hydration and barrier support like no other. For visibly plumper, healthier, and smoother skin, I wholeheartedly recommend adding the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5 with Ceramides to your cart today.